5 selfie modes, 4 cameras, 3 colors, 2 names, 1 phone. I'm Jaime Rivera for Pocketnow with Jules Wong on camera, and this is our hands-on of the Asus ZenFone 5 Lite, sponsored by Invisible Shield. The ZenFone 5 Lite, which was announced at Asus's MWC party, will come to the United States soon as the ZenFone 5Q. We think it's a pretty good idea because the word Lite doesn't describe much of the changes between this device and the regular ZenFone 5 or ZenFone 5Z. For example, there's actually one more camera in the 5 Lite than on the 5. The company decided to give each side's main camera a 6-megapixel wide-angle companion sensor to grab 120 degrees of landscape and group selfies, or, wait for it, Wefies. But at least you do have 4 other selfie modes that adjust to when you're solo shooting 20-megapixel pictures in front of landscapes and such. The camera is also enhanced with AI scene detection, automatically triggering presence from up to 16 scenes and changing those settings over time to suit your tastes. Oh, and just like every other phone this year, it'll also have Face Unlock too. The 5 Lite has a 6-inch 2x1 LCD at 1080p resolution, covering more than 80% of the fascia. The 3300 mAh battery should last users long enough, as in the US it will also come with a Snapdragon 630, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage. Android O is on board with Zen UI 5. It's not at all a stock experience, but there are fewer duplicate basic apps, pretty much only Facebook and Instagram for third parties. Expect this phone to launch around late spring or early summer. Until then, catch up with the rest of Pocketnow's MWC reports on YouTube and on Pocketnow.com. And while you're at that, a word from our sponsor. Friends, our coverage of MWC 2018 continues. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Learn more about Invisible Shield in the link in the description. We thank them for making this coverage possible. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera, and Jules at PointJules. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon with more.